No heroes on here.
To the left.
Yeah. Did you? What, were them that place over there?
I nearly hit him.
I just think it was only a matter of time now when you were going there.
You going fast?
Was it going fast, Steve?
If you're going to go that fast, don't try and see with your skis together. You've got a bit of width between us to give you a bit of
I'd actually tried stopping and it had just gone away from me.
too close together then. We were always going to go over then.
Is it a bad one, yeah? You on camera?
Yeah.
Yes! Get in!
Go on.
I say I was going to. I was expecting.
This is a wonderful run.
Sounds nice, that.
Yeah.
Real nice.
Tell you what, Andy, you're bouncing well though, aren't you?
Aye?
Very well, you're bouncing well.
Yeah.
Doing very well.
I don't even feel it. It's like, cause
When you went then, you were moving then, you were going quite quick then.
I feel it's like on cam.
Oh, were you on camera? Oh, yeah, that can be a good mark, definitely.
The only thing, from my perspective, you don't quite get it all, do you?
I don't know, that's a little quick, that will, I think, on camera. Wait first.
Yeah. I'll turn it off.